Welcome to the spoken tutorial on route maps. In this tutorial, we will learn about OpenStreetMap, to find a route map between two places, about different route profiles, settings of route profiles, to find local routes on the map, and to export a route map. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 16.04, Marble version 1.12.20 and a working internet connection. The process demonstrated in this tutorial is identical in Ubuntu Linux OS version 18.04, Marble version 2.2.20. To practice this tutorial, the learner should be familiar with Marble interface. For the prerequisite Marble tutorials, please visit this site. I have opened the Marble interface. We will show the route maps using the OpenStreetMap view. Go to the map view and select OpenStreetMap. OpenStreetMap opens on the interface. Let us first learn about OpenStreetMap. OpenStreetMap is an editable navigational map. It gives information about roads, boundaries, and transport links. OpenStreetMap shows prominent buildings, airports, and train tracks. For better visibility, I will select Flat View option from the drop-down. Let us go to our home location, Mumbai. I will hide Overview Map, Compass, and Windrows for better view of the map. I will zoom in to show some places in Mumbai on the map. They are Sanjay Gandhi National Park, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, Western and Central Railway Lines, Godrej Memorial Hospital, and IIT Bombay. Go to the Legend panel and click on it. Let us scroll down to show different symbols that represent different attributes. They are transportation, areas, places of interest, education, and others. Let us zoom out to go back to the default location. Now we will learn how to create route maps. I will drag the boundary to see the map clearly. To find a route map between two places, click on the routing panel. In the routing panel, we see two input bars with green colored A and B icons. Click on the down arrow button next to A. A drop-down menu opens with different options. Select From Map option. In the input bars, we will enter the source and destination of the route. I will demonstrate how to find a route map from Mumbai to Pune. As Mumbai is our starting point, let us type Mumbai in the first input bar. Click on the search button or press Enter key on the keyboard. Let us wait till Mumbai is located on the map. A message, Place Marks Found 1 appears next to the search button. On the map, location of Mumbai is marked as A. This A icon is the same as the one shown in the input bar. Go to the second input bar and click on the down arrow button next to B. From the drop-down, select From Map option. I will type Pune in the second input bar. Click on the search button or press Enter key on the keyboard. Again, we will wait till Pune is located on the map. This location is shown using B icon on the map. Notice that Search button is now replaced by a Get Directions button. Click on the Get Directions button. Route map from Mumbai to Pune is shown on the map. A message Routes Found 1 appears in the routing panel. Let us zoom in to get a clear view of the route. Distance between these two places is shown at the bottom of the routing panel. Below the input bars, we see a Car Fastest drop-down button. This drop-down button has 4 route profiles. They are Car Fastest, Car Shortest, Bicycle and Pedestrian. By default, Car Fastest route profile is selected. The route profile depends on the type of vehicle we choose. On the map, we see a route map from Mumbai to Pune with Car Fastest route profile. Let us find the same route map with Bicycle route profile. Click on the Car Fastest drop-down button and select Bicycle. The Car Fastest route profile from Mumbai to Pune is deleted. Click on the Get Directions button. Please wait if buffering sign is seen. A message No route found is seen on the routing panel. Click on the Settings icon in the routing panel. Configure Routing Profile Marble Virtual Globe dialog box opens. Under the Active Route Services service settings, uncheck all the checkboxes. Then click on Yours checkbox. Click on the OK button in the box. Now click on the Get Directions button. A new route map appears on the map with Bicycle route profile. Now we will see how to remove this route map. Right-click on the ending point B. A context menu opens. From the context menu, select Remove this destination option. Route map between Mumbai and Pune is deleted. To remove the starting point A, right-click on A. Select Remove this destination option. Now I will show how to find local routes on the map. For demonstration, we will find a route map from Kalyan to Panvel. Let us locate our starting point Kalyan. Right-click on its label. A context menu appears. Select Directions from here option. A icon appears at the starting point Kalyan. Let us locate our destination Panvel. Right-click on its label. Context menu appears again. Select Directions to here option. Route map from Kalyan to Panvel appears on the map. I will demonstrate how to export this route map. Right-click on the route map. Context menu appears again. From the context menu, select Export Route option. Export Route dialog box opens. Select a location to save the file. I will select the desktop folder. In the file name field, type the name as route-1.gpx. In the Files of Type field, we can select the file format as .gpx or .kml. Click on the Save button. I will close the Marble application. Let us check the exported route map. The exported route map route-1.gpx file is saved on the desktop. Let us double-click to open this file. Select Open with KDE Marble option. The route map from Kalyan to Panvel is shown here. Let us close this file. We will learn more about route maps in the upcoming tutorials. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about OpenStreetMap, to find a route map between two places, about different route profiles, settings of route profiles, to find local routes on the map, and to export a route map. An assignment for you. Find a route map from Delhi to Chennai. Export this route map in .gpx file format. The video at the following link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by MHRD, Government of India. This is Vijay Nair from IIT Bombay. Thank you for watching.